Well, my car's a 2002 Z06 Corvette. The car currently has a 402 cubic inch LS2 engine in it, capable of withstanding 15 pounds of boost. We also have twin turbochargers on the car. We're running 1050s at almost 140 miles an hour at Bandimere, and that's at 6,000 feet elevation, so you can't even really compare that to sea level.
It's a 2008 C6 Corvette. When I purchased the car, it was a silver car. Pretty much every component of that car has been customized at some point over the last 2 years. It's now a black car, and it's got a custom hood on it, custom wheels, vertical doors. A 427 engine was put in with a supercharger.
I drive a black 2010 Camaro SS with an RS package. I've had a custom ground cam, had the heads ported and polished, had a suspension kit put on, Hurst shift kit, headers.
My car is a 2006 Corvette Z06. The car from the factory is a 427, comes out with 505 horsepower. We pulled the motor, put in different camshaft, different pistons, put on a ProCharger, different injectors. And the last time we dynoed it at 760 at the rear wheels. My best ET at the track was 10.7, 132 miles an hour.
It's a 2010 Camaro SSRS with a LS3 engine. I had Dragon put in intake, headers, cam, and exhaust on that car for about 100 horsepower boost over the factory. They lowered it 1.5 inches. They have custom wheels that they're going to be putting on it, and had some airbrush work done on the front emblem.
A friend of mine told me about Dragon Racing, so I went up and talked to Peter, told him what I was interested in. He immediately told me that he could make a ProCharger work on my car. At the time they didn't have a kit for it, but he built one to make it work, and I have really enjoyed working with Dragon. They're a great company.
When I initially started to think about doing some performance enhancement on the car, I did a lot of online research, and Dragon had a lot of positive stuff online, and they just happened to be local to me, so I took it in there and to get a quote, and I've used them for everything ever since.
It's been a lot of fun working with Peter and Dragon because really Peter loves nothing better than to build cars that can go really fast and see them going really fast at the drag strip. And he goes way beyond simply bolting on components onto the car. He really does all kinds of machine shop work and whatever he needs to, and he knows he needs to do to get the car to perform the way we want it to.
Definitely gave me probably 3 different options. Ended up choosing pretty much a major option, pretty good rebuild, and got the horsepower that I wanted, and that performance is just outstanding. I'm tickled to death.
My best experience with Dragon, I think, is they stand behind their product. They're very helpful. When you go out to the track to race, they're always there. If you need tuning, if you need tires changed, they're just there to support you.
Well, I'd recommend Dragon Pro Street and Peter because Peter's very technical, and he really gets into the details of how to make cars go fast, especially in our environment up here at high altitude.
They've got young guys that are very progressive and very proud of what they do. They took care of my Camaro like they owned it.